Hello everyone. So in this lecture we'll see that how we can create a spy in Mockito through different ways. So here in our Java folder, I'll be creating one package as com.hubberspot.mockito.spice. And also friends, here I will be copying book and let's say book service class, because I will be using the same example to demonstrate the spice. So here I will be removing all this stuff. So friend, let's say here I create one class and I give a name as book manager. So this book manager will call some methods on book service. So here basically book manager is dependent on book service. So here you can think of book service as an external dependency to book manager. So here in our test folder, I will be creating one package as com.hubberspot.mockito.spice, and here I create a class as book manager test. So here our book manager is class under test and the external dependency is book service. So here I have created class as book manager test. So here we'll create a test method. So here one way to create the Mockito spy is we can simply call mockito.spy. So here you can see there are two methods where we can actually provide an object on which Mockito will spy, or we can even pass the class type for the object we want to spy. So here let's say we provide as bookservice.class. So this is one way to create a spy on our external dependency. And we can use the created spy in our system under test like this. So friend, this is one way by which we can create the spy on our external dependency. The other way is using the annotations. So in order to enable the annotations, we already discussed what we need to do in Mockito. So in our previous lecture, when we created the mock and we used the annotations of the Mockito, we saw that we need to extend our book manager test to use Mockito extension. And after doing that, we can use the inject mocks, and here we can provide the type for our class under test, which is book manager. And if we want to do spy, there is annotation as @spy, where we can provide the type of our spy, which is book service. So friends, here when we do @spy, Mockito will take this and use it as a external dependency for our book manager. So friends, this is the second way of creating the spy object. So in our upcoming lecture, we'll see that how we can use this spy in our test. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.